Hi, this is amazing Ken. Now, in the first of all, thank you Microsoft for create this video, right? I just want to compliment what it says here. So in this video, it says that if you do a condition formatting, then you can get to select those zip codes. That is start with 980 will be in USA. However, but when you do a filter, the France right will also be listed. So how do we avoid that is to have two condition checking two condition at the same time, but it doesn't illustrate in this video. So after I done some research right from other Power BI website, right, so I have some idea. Let's head over to this, right. So I have this add a column, condition column. Over here I got a zip code. This is a customer location. So it says that if it's begin with 980, then it must be from local. It must be from USA, right? So when we take a closer look, right, highlight this, drag it here, look more. So look at this local. So when we do a local search, right, 980, right, it is the west regions of US. However, this is not, it shouldn't be listed here. So how do we get rid of that? Is that it suggests to have checking the region as well. So how to do that? Let's head to the view, click on the advanced detail. So we're going to manually add a column, which is the after this, right? So this says that for each of the zip code is 980, right? If it's 9 start with 980, then it's local. Otherwise it's not, right? So but we want to add a new thing called region. We want to check the region whether it's not now. So now we have additional conditions to check, right? So not only we checking is 90, but also we're going to check that if the region is not now. So like for example, right, the France, right, has a zip code of 980, but it does not have a region, right? So you can see that though, so it shouldn't be show as local. But for the USA, right, you have the 980 790, but the region has a value which is not now, right? So you can see that two conditions is met, and therefore you have a local, and that's it. Click done, and take a look, right? It's now the France item is now removed, and that is how you use the advanced editor for additional complex and function, right? How do you check not now? Hey, thank you very much, right? Remember, believe, think you're amazing, believe you're amazing, and you can do amazing things, especially in this internet world, right? The knowledge is everywhere. You just need to find it. Thank you. I wish you well.